Hello, my name is Mohammed Wahid and today I'm talking about land biomes, so let's get started. First of all, a biome is a large area characterized by its vegetation, soil, climate, and wildlife. There are 5 major types of biomes. First, we have aquatic, grassland, forest, desert, and tundra. So let's begin with the first major type. Temperate deciduous forests get between 30 and 60 inches of precipitation a year. Precipitation in this biome happens year-round because the soil is very fertile and hardwood trees are good for building. This biome has some of the world's largest population centers in it. Plants such as lichens, moss, ferns, wildflowers, and other small plants can be found on the first floor. Shrub fill in the middle level, and hardwood trees like maple, oak, birch, magnolia, sweet gum, and beech make up the third level. Conifers, the spruce, fir, and pine trees can also be found mixed in this in with the hardwood trees in this biome. And finally, living organisms. There is great diversity of life in this biome, like insects, spiders, slugs, frogs, and salamanders are common in North America. Coniferous forest. Consistently, most of conifers, which are trees that grows needles instead of leaves, and cones instead of flowers. Conifers tend to be evergreen. They bear needles all year long. These adaptations help conifers survive in areas that are very cold or dry in summer. Elegant plants, pines grow in this biome, along with spruce, fir, and tamarack in much of the northern forest. The conifers mingle with the deciduous trees, particularly aspen, birch, sugar maple, and basswood. Then we have the tropical rainforest as a hot, moist biome where it rains all year long. It is known for its dense canopies of vegetation that form 3 different layers. The top layer or canopy contains giant trees that grow to a height of 75 meters or more. Tropical rainforests are lush and warm all year long. Temperature don't even change much between night and day. The average temperature in tropical rainforest ranges from 70 to 85. The environment is pretty wet in tropical rainforests, maintaining a high humidity of 77% to 80%. Animals throughout all the different layers of a tropical rainforest will find a wide variety to animals. Most of us think of monkeys when we think of rainforests. Other rainforest mammals include sloths, tapirs, jaguars, and so on. Then the grasslands are generally open and continuous, fairly flat areas of grass. They are often located between temperate forest at high latitude and desert and subtropical latitude. In grassland, most of the rain falls in spring and early summer in the form of convectional rain. Grassland plants are flowering plant species that make up the family Poaceae. There are between 10,000 and 12,000 of grass. They cover approximately 30% of the Earth's surface, more than any other plant species. Animals there like giraffe, African elephants, and are all of the examples of the types of larger animals that inhabit grassland. The desert temperature during the day, desert temperature rises to an average of 38 degree at night. Desert temperature falls to an average of negative 3.9 degree at night. 38 degree at day and at night it's an average of negative 3.9 degree. Desert temperature fall to an average of about 25 degree Fahrenheit. Plants that live in the desert have to go without water for years because rainfall is so sporadic. Some plants have extremely long roots that go a long way into the soil to find water. These roots are called tap roots. Uh, Other plants find clever way of storing the water in their leaves or stem to ensure it lasts them a long time. These plants are called succulents. And here is type of of plants that live in the desert. Desert animals. Example of desert animals include invertebrates such as scorpions and camels, spiders, reptiles such as the thorny devil, Gila monster and sidewinder, rattlesnake, mammals such as the fennec fox, maricate, dromedary and bacterian, camel, and birds such as sand grouse and lappet-faced vulture. The tundra is the coldest of the biomes. It also receives low amounts of precipitation, making the tundra. Thank you for watching, and that's the end of the video.